Good evening, traders. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Vande Mataram. This is a market analysis for 16th of August 2022. Let's see how markets are positioned and what kind of moves can we expect in the coming sessions from both the indices Nifty and Bank Nifty, and also my trading plan, the various strategies that I aim to follow in the coming trading sessions based on market movement. Now, as you can see, even on Friday, we had a slightly range bound context in Nifty and Bank Nifty outperformed Nifty. For now, the area that I'm looking in case of Nifty is 17,695 to 17,714 reference area. This is a volume analytics reference area where I saw the largest volumes are right now placed. If you can see a little bit above the top around 17,720 levels, you can see a large delta bar, but a positive delta bar, but price did not move up here, indicating some sort of aggression from sellers in this area. If at all we go below 17,695, there is a good chance we can test the lows of 17,620 to 17,630 tomorrow. On the upside, since the trend right now is strongly to the up, and at this moment we should be very careful of any shorts that we take as of now. If at all we go below 17,695, we start trading below 17,695, then this would be a mid probability short, not a high or a low probability short, purely from an intraday perspective. This is not a positional trade. I still do not see large enough sellers coming in on a positional basis for now, overpowering buyers. So we need to still wait for that before we take any kind of positional short trade. The trend is long, stay with the trend until it bends, and please do not try to go against the trend, especially on an overnight basis. To the upside, if at all we break the highs of Friday, then 17,790 to 17,810 is a crucial reference level which I have been mentioning in the past two videos. This is an area of old sellers, so this is a zone we can test. When we go, if we trade above 17,810, there is a good possibility we can even test 18,000 in this week itself. Let's see how where exactly we open, because as a day trader the location of opening and the opening 15 minutes price action is extremely important for us, 15 to 30 minutes. So based on that, let's see what kind of trades we get. These are the levels which I am planning to trade in Nifty futures directionally. Moving on to Bank Nifty, if I look at the Bank Nifty charts, Bank Nifty is looking much more stronger than Nifty at this moment. 38,530 to 38,660, 36,660 to 38,530 is a higher time frame buyers area. Buyers, large institutional buyers have bought in aggressively in this area in the past before this gap up opening in this zone, and they are holding longs aggressively on an overnight basis. So until I see fresh shorts coming in which are greater than these buyers, I will not assume or I will not go with the basis that we can see any kind of down move on an overnight basis in case of Bank Nifty now. So any kind of pullback that we get right now, again, from a 1 day perspective, 39,020 to 39,070 is where the largest buyers are present. Let me mark that area for you. 39,070 is where the largest buyers are present. You can also see how the delta profile indicates strong buying aggression in this area. So right now, as I said, Bank Nifty is much more stronger than Nifty, and this is a key reference which I will be monitoring for Monday, and this is the area where I look to build my positions. If at all we break to the downside, as I said, any kind of down move from here, any kind of correction of even 1 to 2% in Bank Nifty, I will look to trade on an intraday basis until this area is taken out. I would not prefer carrying calls overnight until I see fresh data coming in live markets. Until I see fresh sellers coming in, I'm not going to carry any overnight shorts in this market. To the upside, right now, if we break Friday size, we closed at highs. We continue to move up from here. Then even 39,400, 39,500 levels have opened up in case of Bank Nifty. As I said, Bank Nifty is much more stronger than Nifty at this point of time. From a comparative analysis, if I were to go long, if index gives a strong long opportunity from here, I would gladly take it. But in BN, if we start to move down or show any intermediate signs of correction, which have not occurred till now, as I said, I still see buyers holding the ship strong. I would rather prefer to say 2 to 3 days of choppy move and see fresh sellers, initiative sellers opening up positions at highs than the buyers at lows before I put on any short. If that happens, then my index of choice to go short would be Nifty, but not Bank Nifty at this stage. Let's have a quick look at the order flow charts and see how the order flow charts panned out, both in case of Nifty and Bank Nifty. These are simple order flow charts where I mainly look at the raw data that the tape provides. And on Friday, as you can see, after the opening initial down move, you could see three large imbalances in the same candle, but still sellers failed to hold the ground. And right now at this moment, if we see Nifty, let me go up a bit. If we see Nifty, even to the upside, as I said, this is the zone where a large delta absorption was seen. And this is the key area that triggered me to book out my longs on an intraday basis on Friday. You can see this large buyer booking out. So we need to scale above this for a continued up move. So if you are a trader who trades both the indices, then it's strongly recommended for you at this point of time that if you get any long opportunity, it's ideal to focus on Bank Nifty compared to Nifty at this point of time. Even Bank Nifty order flow charts are indicating a much more controlled, a much more stronger presence of buyers compared to the order flow charts of Nifty. I hope this video is useful, guys. If yes, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Also, I share my live market updates on Telegram. The link to the channel is given in the description below. Please join it. It's the place where I share all my volume analytics, volume-based analysis of large buying and selling happening in the markets, delta extreme reversals, and various other data pointers like that. So do check it out. Thank you all and see you tomorrow.